big and round, soft and slow. Elephant walks where flowers grow. Stomp your